Now students, we start exercise 6.1. Now student, we start exercise 6.1. Question 1. In figure 6.13, lines AB and CD intersect at O. Line AB and CD intersect at O if angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree and angle BOD equal to 40 degree, then find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. Now students, we given angle AOC plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree, angle BOD equal to 40 degree. Find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. Student, see here angle BOD, angle BOD and angle AOC both are vertical opposite angle. Angle BOD and angle AOC both are vertical opposite angle. Students, we know that vertical opposite angle are equal, so angle BOD equal to angle AOC. Angle BOD equal to angle AOC because these are vertically opposite angle. Now students, value of BOD is 40 degree, so angle AOC equal to 40 degree. So angle AOC equal to 40 degree. Now students, we given AOC plus BOE equal to 70 degree. Student, putting value of AOC is 40 degree. So 40 degree plus angle BOE equal to 70 degree. So angle BOE equal to 30 degree. 70 minus 40, 30 degree. Now students, see here angle. Now student, see here angle BOE, angle BOE, angle BOE equal to 30 degree. Now find angle C, reflex angle COE. स्टूडेंट आपको क्या फाइंड करना है? रिफ्लेक्स एंगल फाइंड करना है. स्टूडेंट आपके पास एंगल गिवन है, आपके पास एंगल गिवन है 30 डिग्री, आपको फाइंड करना है रिफ्लेक्स एंगल. तो एंगल 30 की जो आउटसाइड एंगल होगा, इट मीन्स ये एंगल, एंगल 30 की जो आउटसाइड एंगल होगा, आपको क्या फाइंड करना है? ये एंगल क्या होगा? प्लस रिफ्लेक्स एंगल. We find angle reflex angle COE. Students, we find reflex angle COE. So student, firstly we find angle COE. Students, see here angle BOE, angle BOE plus angle COE plus angle AOC. So these angle lie on straight line, so sum of this angle is 180 degree. Angle BOE plus angle COE plus angle AOC equal to 180 degree because these lie on same straight line. Now students, angle BOE equal to 30 degree, so value of angle BOE is 30 degree. COE as a angle AOC, angle AOC is 40 degree, so 40 degree equal to 180 degree. 30 plus 40, 70 degree. So angle COE plus 70 degree equal to 180 degree. So angle COE equal to 110 degree. But student, we find reflex angle COE. So reflex angle COE, reflex angle COE equal to 360 minus 110 degree. Student, we find reflex angle COE. So reflex angle COE equal to 360 minus 110 degree, which is 250 degree. So students, angle BO is 30 degree and reflex angle CO is 250 degree. Now students, question number 2 in figure 6.14. Students, in figure 6.14, line XY and MN, line XY and MN intersect at O. Line XY and MN intersect at O if angle POY is 90 degree and A ratio B is 2:3, then find C. Students, we given A ratio B is 2:3 and find C. Now students, we given A ratio B, so let A equal to 2x and B equal to 3x. Students, we let A equal to 2x and B equal to 3x. Student, see here angle XOM and MOP and angle POY. Both all angles lie on straight line XY. So sum of these angle is 180 degree. Students, see here angle XOM and MOP and POY. All these angle lie on same straight line XY. So sum of these angle is 180 degree. So angle B plus angle A plus angle POY. Angle B plus angle A plus angle POY equal to 180 degree because these lie on same straight line XY. Now angle B equal to 3x, A equal to 2x plus angle POY equal to 180 degree. Now 3x plus 2x 5x, angle POY 90 degree equal to 180 degree. 5x equal to 90 degree, x equal to 18 degree. So students, x equal to 18 degree. So angle A 2 into 18 36 degree. Angle B 3 into 18 54 degree. So angle A 36 degree, angle B 54 degree. Students, see here angle B and angle C both are linear pair. Angle B and angle C both are linear pair because they lie on line because OM and ON are opposite ray. So angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Both are linear pair. Now students, value of angle B is 54 degree. So 54 plus C equal to 180 degree. C equal to 180 minus 54. Now 180 minus 54, 126 degree. So angle C equal to 126 degree. Now students, question number 3. In figure 6.15, angle PQR equal angle PRQ. Angle PQR equal angle PRQ. Then prove that angle PQS equal angle PRT. Students, we given angle PQR, this angle equal PRQ. We given these angle are equal and we saw that angle PQS and angle PRT also equal. Now students, angle PQR, this angle, and angle PQS, this angle. Angle PQR and PQS both are linear pair. So sum of these angle is 180 degree. Angle PQR plus angle PQS equal to 180 degree because these are linear pair. because these are linear pair. Student, consider this equation 1 same as it equation. Angle PRQ, angle PRQ and angle PRT. Angle PRQ and angle PRT both are linear pair. So angle PRQ plus angle PRT equal to 180 degree, linear pair. Consider equation 2. Students, from equation first and second, student, from equation first and second, RHS part of both equation are equal. RHS part of both equation are equal, so LHS part also equal. Angle PQR plus angle PQS equal angle PRQ plus angle PRT. Students, we given that PQR equal PRQ. Students, we given that angle PQR equal PRQ. So angle PQR and PRQ cancel out. So angle PQS equal to angle PRT. Angle PQS equal to angle PRT. Hence proof. Now students, question 4. In figure 6.16, if x plus y equal to w plus z, x plus y equal to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. Students, we given x plus y equal w plus z and we saw that AOB is a straight line. Now students, angle x plus angle y plus angle z plus angle w, these are complete angle. Angle x plus angle y plus angle z plus angle w, these are complete angle. So x plus y plus w plus z equal to 360 degree because these are complete angle. Now students, x plus y equal w plus z, so पुट वैल्यू ऑफ w प्लस जेड. क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट, आपके पास x प्लस वाई किसके इक्वल है? w प्लस जेड. आपने w प्लस जेड की वैल्यू क्या पुट किया? x प्लस वाई. सो x प्लस वाई इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री. x प्लस एक्स 2x, y प्लस वाई 2y इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री. टू कॉमन आउट, x प्लस वाई इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री. So students, x plus y equal to 180 degree. Students, x plus y equal to 180 degree. This means sum of these angle is 180. Similar, x plus y equal w plus z. Students, x plus y equal w plus z. So w plus z equal to 180 degree also. Students, see here, x plus y 180 degree. W plus Z 180 degree. So AOB is a straight line. So student, AOB is a straight line.